How's it going, everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how to use WhatsApp on your computer. Now, probably a lot of people don't know that you can access WhatsApp through your Windows computer or through your Mac. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it. Now, first things first, open your computer browser. You can choose any browser you want. Now search on WhatsApp download. Now click on the first link that shows. Then click on download desktop. Then a window will pop out that will redirect you to the Microsoft Store. Just click on open. Then it will start downloading and click on install. Just wait for WhatsApp to be downloaded. And click on open. Now click on get started. Now to set up WhatsApp on your computer, you must open your WhatsApp on your phone, and we must link your WhatsApp on your phone to your computer. Now I'm just gonna grab my phone, and as you can see, I'm in front of my computer still. Now to start linking from your WhatsApp from your phone to your computer, head on to your WhatsApp application. Then click on this three dotted lines in the top right hand corner. Then click on link devices. It says here to use WhatsApp on other devices, we must link both devices. That said that it's your phone and your computer devices. So click on link a device. Now position your camera to the QR code on your computer screen to scan the QR code like this. And once you've scanned the QR code from your phone to your computer, you can now start using WhatsApp on your computer. So I hope you find this video helpful, and please give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!